Now come to the practical part of this astrology. This measures 360 degree. Human being have two hands, two palm. This is right hand and this is left hand. I had drawn these two diagram. One, this is right hand, and second, this is left hand. If you widen your hands like this, and see what will be the symmetry of it, like this. This is the base, starts from little finger, and this is perpendicular, travels along the thumb. This measurement is 90 degree. Okay, quite similar is the case with your left hand. 90 degree. Just spread the hand, widen its fingers, and try to imagine 90 degree here. 90 plus 90, 180. Throughout the day, this 180 degree measurement is acting on both the hands as well as on the brain, because in medical science it's said that the left part of our body, left part of the human body is controlled by the right part of the brain, and similarly the right part of the body, entire body, is controlled by the left part of the brain. Here this is brain. Quite similarly to earth, the spherical structure. This is front view of the brain. Several other phenomena take place throughout one's life. For example, if somebody pinches one pin over here, all of a sudden the hand gets replaced. Sensory and motor nerves, that's the scientific aspect. We will discuss about it later. The reflex act depends upon the frequency of reflex action depends upon the tolerance of the person, which varies from person to person. Okay, but 360 degree there, 360 degree here. This is astrology. How it works and why it works. It involves another aspect of our meteorology, means geology, that is magnetic poles. Quite similarly to the magnet, surrounding which there are magnetic lines of forces. Similarly, there is a natural magnet between north and south pole, natural north and south pole, where magnetic lines of forces travel along. Sun rays, along with the specific position of planets, for example Jupiter, for example Saturn, these are special planets which remain in one zodiac for 11 months and 2.5 years respectively. Jupiter is stable throughout 11 months in one zodiac. On the contrary, Saturn, it resides 2.5 years in single zodiac, 30 degree. Depends. Otherwise, Sun, Mercury, Mars and Venus, these are synonymous in the sense all the planets receive radiations from Sun, but Mars, Mercury and Venus, these three planets just either follow the Sun, or if some planet travels faster than Sun, within a few days it synchronizes the velocity of the Sun and they are together. Or one house behind or one house forward. This is a point or the fact which can be discussed later. Today I wanted to bring in your notice the primary facts of astrology, just to let you believe that there is something which is called divinely force acting upon the human body, acting upon the human psychology, and acting upon human life throughout from his birth up to the last day of his life. This is a real subject because its facts are real. Facts are facts. Points are real and not imaginary. And what are the real points? Not virtual points, material points, real points. They let the happenings materialized into one's life only because of the traveling 30 degree each of every zodiac and 6 zodiacs daytime, 6 zodiacs night time. Same is the case with the geological changes and some other changes. For example, in India, when we sleep, in America, people are working. So there, the night time shifts from here to there, and the daytime shifts from there to here. This is all. It's a purely technical subject. I'll let you know how it's technical. Thanks.